You guys, I have some tips for you on how to make your lips look bigger and fuller and plumper and all of the things that we all want. So keep watching. If you like it, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps us out so much, and I hope you enjoy. So there are so many different ways that you can make your lips appear bigger. I'm going to show you all some of my favorite ways to help them look fuller. So the first tip can be done when you're contouring or after. If you're contouring with a cream contour, you're going to want to use your darker color. Otherwise, you can use a bronzer. So I'm going to be getting a small brush that's loose and just dusting all around my lips, and I'll show you what that looks like. And then you're definitely going to want to blend it out, especially on top. Okay, so that's setting the foundation. The second product I'm going to be using is the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. Now, lip liners can be our best friend. You never want to overline your lips more than a pencil's width. So that's something to keep in mind. Lip liners are great if you have one lip that is bigger than the other. You can definitely help balance those out. So I will show you guys how I'm going to do this. So my top lip is a little bit smaller, so I'll be overlining this one just barely. But in my case, my lower lip is pretty full, so I'm not going to go crazy with the overlining. So you're going to want to tighten your lips and use soft strokes to line them. On your Cupid's bow, a great tip that I learned is instead of trying to start at the middle and bringing your lip liner out, start on the outside and bring it in. It really helps that to be defined. So I'm going to follow the lip liner with the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and this is a great creamy lipstick. I would recommend it to anyone. Another thing I love about the Charlotte Tilbury is it looks great on so many different skin tones. I've never used it on someone that I didn't love it on. Also, a lot of you guys have asked in the past what lipstick I'm wearing, and usually it's this one. So another one of my favorite tips to tell you guys is just layering lipsticks. And obviously you can see that I've used a darker shade, and the darker the lipstick, the smaller it's going to make your lips look. So that's a great thing to keep in mind. If you have thinner lips and you're wanting to make them look big, nudes are going to be your best friend. Soft pinks, all of those. The darker the red or the purple or however, it's going to make them look smaller. So with that in mind, I'm going to be using a really soft shade, and it's a little shimmery, and I'll show you how to use it to make them look even plumper. So this is a Smashbox lip gloss in the color Petal Metal. I love it because it's really metallic-y and it's just so fun. I get lots of compliments whenever I wear it. So I will start with this one in the very middle of my lips. Put a little dot on the bottom. So after you apply that to the top and the bottom lip in the center, you are going to want to just bring it out just a little bit. I like to use my finger, but you can also use a lipstick applicator brush. Barely blend that in and bring it out just a tiny bit. So as you can see, this gives an ombre effect to your lips, making them look fuller in the middle and then gradually going thinner from there. But overall, I think it's a really pretty look. It just brings the light and the attention of others to your lips. My last tip is to put a tiny bit of highlighter right in your Cupid's arrow just to make them pop even more. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. I know I enjoyed making it for you. If you do end up trying these tips, let us know what you think down in the comments. We would love to hear about the products that you use and all of that good stuff. Thanks for watching.